Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the receiver first, then the transmitter. This order prevents false pairing. Once both units are on, verify battery icons and LED colors. Green means ready. Make sure you plug the receiver into your mixer or camera and set its input type to mic if available. Then, put the transmitter into pairing or sync mode. Hold the sync button until the LEDs flash. This initial sequence establishes a stable link, and it reduces latency and dropouts later. Once paired, you need to adjust levels carefully. Put on headphones and have someone speak at typical volume while you watch the receiver meters. Slowly raise the receiver gain until peaks approach -6 dB. If you see red clipping, reduce gain immediately. Then, fine-tune the transmitter gain if available and test with movement to catch handling noise. Also check antenna orientation and distance. Keep line of sight where possible, and avoid cradling the transmitter under clothing, unless using a lavalier correctly. You finish by mounting the transmitter and hiding cables neatly so they don't rub the mic element. Once done, perform a walk test while monitoring audio in headphones. Listen for dropouts, static, or sudden level changes. If you detect problems, first rescan for a clearer channel and repair both units. Make sure antennas are extended and not blocked. A single troubleshooting tip: if audio cuts out, power cycle receiver, then transmitter. This often reestablishes the link without changing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.